Role of physiotherapy in ventilated patient. So normally when a patient is in ventilator, long collapse or atelectasis occur. Some COVID patients we can see they are mainly admitted in ventilator. So physiotherapist role play a main role for ventilated patients. Some treatment options are like suction, positioning, manual technique, manual hyperinflation, humidification, nebulizer. Then suctioning mainly occur in closed circuit suction. So ETT tube or tracheostomy tube mainly used. Considerations are like need to pre-oxygenate, pressure should be 15 to 20 kPa, monitor throughout the suction process, reassess patient and check the cough reflex present or absent. Then positioning is normally prior to the treatment. Positioning mainly improve the VQ matching. Like patient on mechanical ventilation automatically leads to initiate VQ mismatch. So in this graph we can see the VQ mismatch and the long apex, long base. Then manual techniques like there are techniques which augment cough, bias expiratory flow and assist in airway clearance. Manual assisted cough, application of compressive force mimicking the work of expiratory muscles and promoting expiratory flow and therefore removal of secretion. Some contraindication and precautions are there like severe cardiovascular instability, unstable angina or frequent arrhythmia, excessive chest trauma and refracture, recent abdominal surgery, low platelets or clotting disorder, expiratory vibes like technique of placing hands over the chest and providing vibration or shaking to remove secretion. Here we can see in this picture like hand placement at on the like hands over the chest and the side of ribs to providing vibration or shaking, which will help to remove the secretion so easily. Then manual hyperinflation or ventilator hyperinflation. These techniques like deliver larger than tidal volume breaths, and inspiratory holds are also present, and quick release to bias expiration using a water circuit bag. Then PE for complications, FiO2 consideration are mainly there. Then like ventilator hyperinflation always like this also carry tidal volume 1.5 greater than currently delivered normal tidal volume. Then physiological effect like collateral ventilation, interdependence and enhanced expiratory flow. Then outcome measures are some there like change in SpO2, reduction in FiO2 requirement, reduction in peak airway pressure, increased tidal volume, improvement in PaO2 or PaCO2, palpation, in auscultation and chest X-ray. If you see, we see some changes. And here is some tips are there to when patient in ventilator we should see some things like this. Role of physiotherapist in self-ventilated patient. So self-ventilated patient like with or without the need for CPAP or NIV or high flow oxygen. Here sputum retention or lobar of collapse occur, which is not a common problem. And sputum retention, in cases of sputum retention, the physiotherapists do the active cycle breathing technique, which is called SCBT. Here some considerations are like desaturation or work of breathing occur, remove or complete of NIV or CPAP, importance of breathing control and optimizing positioning. So in SCBT, breathing control started like 20 to 3 seconds, like then 3 to 4 deep breaths. Like, after that, breathing control, then 3 to 4 deep breaths, then breathing control, then hopping followed by cough if needed. So breathing control mainly play main role in sputum retention. Gently rhythmical breathing using the lower part of your chest, then encouraging breath smoothly at a steady rhythm rather than saying slow and deeper, nose breathing rather than mouth, relaxed position with arms supported, only 25 to 30% lung capacity, relaxation technique like neck and shoulder massage, then normal breathing pattern which you should be using all the time. Then posture is very much important. In positions of ease like high sitting in bed, upper limb support, side lying, forward lean sitting, sitting out of bed. Some consideration are also there like severe feeling of breathlessness and air hunger, worsened with movement, tucking, anxiety, frightening, take your time, reassurance to patient, then coughing.